Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Last class we saw Indian and international number system, place value of the international number system, standard and expanded form. Right, children? So you're all clear till this? Yes? Shall we move on to the new concept? Are you all ready? So today we'll see comparison of numbers. Now tell me, children, how will you compare the numbers? We'll use the symbols greater than, less than and equal to, right? We use the symbols greater than, less than and equal to. Very good. So the number with more digits is always greater. The number with more digits is always greater. When the number of digits is same, start comparing from the leftmost digit. When the number of digits is same, start comparing from the leftmost digit. When the number of digits are same, you have to compare from the leftmost part. Now, if all the digits in both the numbers are same, all the digits are same in both the numbers, then the numbers are equal. And we use the sign equal to. So 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. In this, all the digits are equal, right? In both the numbers all the digits are equal, so I'm putting equal to sign in between. So we'll see examples now how to compare the numbers, shall we? Now if two numbers have different number of digits, the number with more digits is always greater. Let me repeat. If two numbers have different number of digits, the number with more digits is always greater. The number which is having more digits is always greater. The number with more digits is always greater. We'll see one example for this. 1,34,791. 8,264. Now in the first number we have, count the number of digits in the first number. 1 2 3 4 5 6. We have 6 digits, right? In second number we have 4 digits. So the number with more digits is always greater. So the first number is having more number of digits, right? So 1,34,791 is greater than 8,264. Second example, comparison of numbers with same number of digits. We'll see how many digits are there here. In the first number also same number of digits, second number also same number of digits. Then how will you compare? We'll see that now. Example is 7,92,843. 8,07,642. How will you compare the numbers? In both the numbers, number of digits are same, right? So we have to start to compare from the leftmost part. So what is the leftmost part here? Lakhs place, right? So lakhs place. Now we'll compare the lakhs place now. Shall we? Yes. So in first number we have 7 in the lakhs place. Second number we have 8 in the lakhs place. Now tell me whether 7 is greater than 8 or less than 8. 7 is less than 8, right? 7 is less than 8. Since 7 is less than 8, the first number 7 lakh 92,843 is less than 8,07,642. Clear, children? If the we have the same number of digits, what you have to do? You have to compare from the leftmost part. We'll see one more example now. Compare 7,93,843 and 7,92,214. So shall we compare now? So here also number of digits are equal. So we have to start to compare from the leftmost part. Shall we? So in first number we have 7 in the lakhs place, and second number also we have 7 in the lakhs place. So what you have to do? So next we have to compare the next digit, that is 10,000 place. So we have to compare the 10,000 place. Shall we see what is there in 10,000 place? First number we have 9 in the 10,000 place. Second number we have 9. Again 9 in the 10,000 place. Again same number. So what to do? Now compare the next digit, that is the thousands place. Shall we compare the thousands place now? Yes. So in first number we have 3 in the thousands place, and second number we have 2 in the thousands place. Now tell me whether 3 is greater than 2 or less than 2. 3 is greater than 2. Since 3 is greater than 2, 7,93,843 is greater than 7,92,214. So you all know to compare the numbers, right? How to compare the numbers? First see the number of digits. More the digits, greater the number, right? So if the number of digits are same, you have to compare from the leftmost part, that is lakhs place or 10,000 place, whatever is it. So compare from the leftmost part. So we'll see some more examples now. 9,375, 9,375. Just see in both the numbers, all the digits are same. Both the numbers, all the digits are same. So what you're going to put there? Equal to sign in between, right? If all the digits in both the numbers are same, we have to put equal to sign in between. I'm putting equal to sign in between. Second one, 43,515, 43,402. Now compare the 10,000 place first. So we have 10,000 place 4 first number. In the second number also we have 4. Now compare the thousands place now. First number also 3, second number also 3. Now what to do? Compare the hundreds place now. So first number we have 5 in the hundreds place. Second number we have 4 in the hundreds place. Since 5 is greater than 4, 5 is greater than 4, right? Yes. So since 5 is greater than 4, 43,515 is greater than 43,402. Third example, 6,92,362, 6,92,820. So we have to compare from the leftmost part. See the lakhs place now. Both the numbers we have 6 in the lakhs place. Now compare the 10,000 place. 10,000 place also we have 9 in the 10,000 place in both the numbers, right? So now see the thousands place. Thousands place also we have the same number 2. So now compare the hundreds place now. So 3 in the first number. In the second number we have 8 in the hundreds place. Now tell me whether 3 is less than 8 or greater than 8. 3 is less than 8. Since 3 is less than 8, 6,92,362 is less than 6,92,820. So you all know how to compare two numbers, right children? Yes. Next we'll see the before, after and between numbers. I think you all have learnt in class 3, right? In your previous classes, before number, after number and between numbers, right? Now tell me children, so do you know what is predecessor? Successor? Shall we see that? Yes. A number one less than the given number. A number one less than the given number. That is the number that comes before the given number. The number that comes before the given number, we call it as predecessor. What do we call it as? Predecessor. The number that comes just before the given number or one less than the given number is called predecessor. Now shall we see what is successor? Yes. A number, successor is a number that comes just after the given number. It is a number that comes just after the given number. That is called successor. That means one more than the given number. One more than the given number is the successor of the number. Shall we see some examples of predecessor and successor? Yes. Now we'll see one example. 17,835. I'm taking the number 17,835. Now tell me, what is the predecessor of this number? What do you mean by predecessor? One less than the given number, right? Now subtract 1 from 17,835 and tell me the answer now. 17,835 minus 1. Tell me the answer now. Yes, 17,834. So 17,834 is the predecessor of 17,835. Now we'll see what is the successor of the number. So what do you mean by successor? One more than the given number, right? So you're going to add 1 to the number 17,835. Add 1 to the number 17,835. Tell me the answer, children. Yes, 17,836. So 17,836 is the successor of 17,835. So what do you mean by between number? The number that comes between two numbers. The number that comes between two numbers is called between number. We'll see some more examples now. So we are going to find out the predecessor and successor now of the given number. 45,199. Now tell me, what is the predecessor of the number 45,199? So what is predecessor? Subtract 1 from the number 45,199 and tell me the answer now. 45,199 minus 1. You'll get, what answer you'll get? 45,198. It is the predecessor of 45,199. Now tell me, what is the successor of the number? What do you mean by successor? Add 1 to the number 45,199. 45,199 plus 1. Add and tell me the answer now. Yes, the answer is, the successor is 45,200. Very good. So shall we see second example now? So 4,98,998. 4,98,998. Now tell me, children, what number will come before What is the predecessor of the number 4,98,998? So to find the predecessor, you have to subtract 1 from the number, right? Subtract 1 and tell me the answer now. Yes, 4,98,997 is the predecessor of 4,98,998. Now tell me, what is the successor of the number 4,98,998? What is the successor of this number? So to find the successor, you are going to add 1 to the number, right? So add 1 to the number and tell me the answer now. Yes, 4,98,999. Very good. So we'll see one more example now. 89,743. 89,743. Now tell me, what is the predecessor of this number? So you're going to subtract 1 from the number. 89,743 minus 1. What answer you will get? Yes. So predecessor is 89,742. So what is the successor of the number 89,743? Yes, you're going to add 1 to the number 89,743. Yes. So add and tell me the answer now. Yes, the answer is 89,744. So you're all clear with the predecessor and successor of the number, right children? Yes. Next we'll see the ordering of numbers. Yes. Now we are going to see ordering of numbers. How to arrange the numbers. Whether arranging numbers in ascending order. We can arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. We can arrange the numbers in any order. So ascending order, descending order. First we'll see what is ascending order. What do you mean by ascending order? Arranging the numbers from smaller to bigger is called ascending order. What do you mean by ascending order? Arranging the numbers from smaller to bigger is called ascending order. We'll see some examples of ascending order now. First one, 8,375, 7,063, 7,128, 8,503, 7,219. What do you mean by ascending order? Arranging the numbers from smaller to bigger. Now tell me children, which is the smallest number? You have to compare the leftmost part, right? So see the thousands place now. 8, 7. 7 is smaller than 8. So we have 3 sevens in the thousands place. So we have to compare the next digit. So that is the hundreds place. Now compare the hundreds place now. So second number we have 0. Third number we have 1. And fifth number we have 2 in the hundreds place. Now tell me, which is smaller number, smaller digit? 0, right? So 7063 is the smallest number. 7063. Then 1 is smaller than 2. So 7128. 7128. Then 7219. Then so we have 2 8s, 8 in the thousands place, right? So now compare the hundreds place now. So first number we have 3 in the hundreds place. Fourth number we have 5 in the hundreds place. Now which is smaller, 3 or 5? 3 is smaller, right? So I'm writing the next number 8,375. Then 8,503. So next one. So 84,631, 83,462, 85,300, 316, 83,625, 94,940. Now tell me children, which is the smallest number? You have to compare from the leftmost part. In the leftmost part, 8 is the smallest, right? So next, see the next digit. Thousands place. 10,000 place we have 888. So now compare the thousands place now. So we have second number we have 3 in the thousands place, and fifth number also we have 3 in the thousands place, right? So both the numbers have the same digits. So now compare the hundreds place now for second number and fifth number. Second number and fourth number. So compare the hundreds place now. Second number we have 4 in the hundreds place, and fourth number we have 6 in the hundreds place. Now tell me, 4 is smaller or 6 is smaller? 4, right? So 83,462 is the smallest number. Then 83,625. Then 84,631. Then 85,316. 94,940. So third example is 6,125,041, 6,215,104, 5,31,125, 4,106,219, 718,045. Now see the number of, count the number of digits. The last number we have number of digits is less. So the smaller the number, right? The number of digits is more, greater the number. So if the number of digits is less, smaller the number, right? So 718,045 is the smallest number. So 718,045. Then compare the leftmost part, millions part now. So 4 is the smallest number, right, in millions place. So 4,106,219. Then which is smaller? 5 million, right? So 5,31,325. Next, in the first two numbers we have 6 in the millions place. Now compare the next 100,000 place. So first number we have 1, second number we have 2. So 1 is less than 2, right? So 6,125,041. Then 6,215,104. Are you all clear with the ascending order, children? Yes? Now we'll see descending order now. What do you mean by descending order? Arranging the numbers from bigger to smaller. Arranging the numbers from bigger to smaller is called descending order. Shall we see some examples now? So first one, 2,697, 4,281, 3,971, 3,824, 4,183. Now tell me children, which is the biggest number? See the thousands place now. So in thousands place 4 is bigger, right? So we have second number also 4. Fifth number also 4 in the thousands place. Now compare the hundreds place for the second number and fifth number. So in the second number we have 2 in the hundreds place. In fifth number we have 1 in the hundreds place. So 2 is greater than 1. So obviously 4,281 is greater, right? It is the biggest number. 4,281. Then 4,183. Then 3 in the thousands place is greater. Now compare the hundreds place. So third number we have 9 in the hundreds place. Fourth number we have 8 in the hundreds place. Now tell me 9 is greater or 8 is greater? 9 is greater, right? So I'm writing 3971, 3824, then last is 2697. Second example, 18,234, 17,945, 17,946, 18,432 and 18,963. Now tell me children, which is the biggest number? Yes, you have to compare the leftmost part. So 10,000 part we have all the numbers, all the digits are same. Now compare the thousands place now. So 8 is 18. 18 first number, fourth number, 15th number, fifth number we have 18,000, right? Now compare the hundreds place now. So last number we have 9 in the hundreds place, that is bigger number. So 18,963 is the biggest number. 18,963. Then in first number and fourth number, first number we have 2 in the hundreds place. Fourth number we have 4 in the hundreds place. Which is bigger, 2 or 4? 4, right? So 18,432. Then 18,234. Then we have 17,000. So compare the hundreds place. Hundreds place also same. Now compare the tens place. Tens place also same. Now compare the ones place. So second number we have 5. Third number we have 6. Which is bigger? 5 or 6? 6, right? So 17,946. Next is 17,945. Shall we move on to the next example? Yes. So 9,08,743, 9,14,827, 8,23,999, 9,99,872, 8,13,948. Now tell me children, which is the biggest number? Compare the lakhs place. So then 10,000 place. Shall we compare the 10,000 place now? So first number we have 0, second number we have 1 and third number we have 9, right? So 9 is bigger, right? So 9,99,872 is the biggest number. Then first number and second number, compare the 10,000 place. So second number 1 we have, first number we have 0. So 1 is greater, right? So 9,14,827. Then 9,08,743. Next we have 8 lakhs. So compare the 10,000 place. In third number we have 2 in the 10,000 place. Fifth number we have 1 in the 10,000 place. So 2 is greater than 1, right? So 8,23,999. Then 8,13,948. So are you all clear with the descending order children? Yes. So descending order is arranging the numbers from bigger to smaller. So worksheet, choose the correct answer. So first one is put the correct sign. Second one, successor of the number 4,92,236. Third one, predecessor of the number 22,180. And the number that is between 7,999 and 8,001. Fifth one, the largest number among the given number. You are going to write the largest number among the given number. Choose it. Then I have given one activity for you. I have given some numbers. So write the largest number in that. So what is the smallest number? And the numbers that are equal. Finish the worksheet. Practice well children. Do more sums. So See you in next class. Thank you.